The giraffe, scientifically known as Giraffa camelopardalis, is the tallest land animal, known for its unique long neck and elegant stature. Standing at an impressive height of up to 18 feet, a giraffe's neck alone can be as long as 6 feet. Their necks are elongated to help them reach the leaves of tall trees, primarily acacias, which form a major part of their diet. Despite its length, a giraffe's neck has only 7 vertebrae, the same number as most mammals, but these are much larger and elongated. Giraffes are social creatures, typically found in loose herds without any strict organization or hierarchy. They roam the savannas and open woodlands of Africa, often traveling great distances in search of food and water. With their keen eyesight, giraffes can spot predators from far away, allowing them to keep a lookout for dangers like lions and hyenas. Surprisingly, these gentle giants can run quickly when threatened, reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour over short distances. The giraffe's coat is covered in unique, irregular spots that act like fingerprints, with no two giraffes having the exact same pattern. This patterning helps them blend into their surroundings, offering some camouflage in the dappled light of their habitats. The color of their spots also deepens with age, especially in males, who often engage in necking, a type of sparring that involves swinging their necks at each other to establish dominance or win mates. Giraffes have an intriguing social structure. Female giraffes often form small groups and take turns watching over each other's calves. This communal care provides some protection for the young, which are vulnerable to predators. Calves are born after a gestation period of about 15 months, and they can stand and walk within hours of birth, an essential survival trait. Giraffes have a lifespan of about 25 years in the wild, though they face numerous threats from habitat loss and poaching. Overall, giraffes are remarkable for their grace, resilience, and adaptability. Their ability to thrive in arid environments with minimal water showcases their remarkable evolutionary adaptations. As iconic creatures of the African landscape, giraffes not only play a vital role in their ecosystems by aiding in seed dispersal and shaping vegetation but also captivate the imaginations of people worldwide. The giraffe, with its strikingly long neck and graceful movements, stands as the tallest land animal on Earth. Found in the African savannas and woodlands, giraffes are known for their unique appearance and gentle, curious nature. Their long necks allow them to reach the highest branches of acacia trees, nibbling on leaves and buds beyond the reach of other animals. Giraffes are social creatures that live in loose herds, often consisting of related females and their young. While males may roam alone or in bachelor groups, giraffes communicate through subtle signals, including body language and low-frequency sounds that are often too faint for humans to hear. Their day-to-day routine involves long feeding sessions, short rests, and even stretches of standing sleep to stay alert against predators. When needed, a giraffe's powerful legs can deliver a kick strong enough to defend itself from lions or other threats. Despite their calm demeanor, giraffes are incredibly swift, reaching speeds up to 35 miles per hour in short bursts. This majestic creature symbolizes peace, patience, and adaptability, perfectly suited to the vast landscapes it roams. Giraffes are remarkable not only for their physical features but also for their fascinating social structures and behaviors. Young giraffes, or calves, form playful nursery groups called creches, where they learn essential survival skills under the watchful eyes of adult females. Mothers are highly protective and will keep their calves close, ready to defend them against potential predators. As giraffes grow, males develop a behavior known as necking, a ritual of gentle to intense sparring with their necks and heads to establish dominance and secure mates. This ritual can look almost like a slow-motion dance, showcasing the giraffe's surprising strength and balance. Interestingly, giraffes rarely drink water directly, as they get most of their hydration from the foliage they consume. When they do need to drink, giraffes spread their front legs wide apart to lower their heads to the water, a position that leaves them vulnerable and is only taken after carefully assessing their surroundings. Their exceptional vision aids in spotting predators from miles away, allowing the herd to remain vigilant and prepared. Each giraffe has a distinct pattern of spots, much like a human fingerprint, which helps them recognize each other and blend into the patchy light of their environment. Giraffes continue to captivate onlookers with their quiet intelligence, gentle demeanor, and resilience in the wild, truly standing as icons of the African wilderness. Giraffes are not only fascinating because of their physical appearance but also because of their intriguing behaviors and relationships within their herds. Their long, dark tongues, reaching up to 20 inches, are specially adapted to strip leaves from thorny trees without getting hurt. These tongues have a tough texture and are coated with a protective, thick saliva, allowing giraffes to munch on leaves covered in thorns. an advantage few other animals possess. Each giraffe's day is a unique blend of feeding, roaming, and resting. And unlike most animals, giraffes sleep for very short intervals. They only need about 30 minutes to 2 hours of sleep in a 24-hour period, often taking short naps while standing up to stay alert for any potential danger. When they do decide to lie down and sleep, they curl their long necks back to rest on their bodies in a charming, spiral-like position. This is one of the few moments they are vulnerable to predators. One of the most touching aspects of giraffe life is their bond with their young. Mothers are extremely protective, and you can often see a mother giraffe standing guard over her calf, using her height to scan for threats. Calves themselves are astonishingly resilient. They drop around 6 feet to the ground during birth, a fall that may seem harsh but is vital to kickstart their systems and get them ready for the life ahead. Communication among giraffes is also a fascinating, lesser-known aspect of their lives. For a long time, it was believed that giraffes were mostly silent creatures. However, researchers have discovered that giraffes do communicate with each other using low-frequency sounds that are often inaudible to human ears. They produce